How to fix not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings. In order for you to fix this issue, start by heading over to your application Roblox. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, head over to More at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and then move into Settings. Once you're inside the settings, head over to Privacy and Content Restrictions. Once you're in this page, move into Visibility and Private Servers. Head over to Private Servers. Well, if the option is set to no one, then you have to set it to friends or everyone if there is any option. Likewise, do the same process for visibility as well. Once done, go back and head over to Account Information. Scroll down and you have to make sure your age is set to above 13. If it's below the 13, then it might be one of the reasons that you're having the issue. So make sure to verify your birth date. Set according to your own birthday. Once you have set, tap on Continue, and then click on Verify ID. Now for the verification, you have to upload your ID. It could be anyone, driver's license, password, ID card, or resident permit. Upload according to your need, and then you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.